Today we have another TWS earphone reviews, and this is from Creative, the Creative Outlier Pro, which is their top tier Outlier series. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong, welcome to Fast Review episode 61. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel, that's how the name came about. First, let's have a quick unboxing. Inside the box, you get the Creative Outlier Pro earphone, different sizes of ear tips, USB-C charging cable, and some documents. The metallic finish case has a unique way of storing the earbuds. Instead of the usual lid covers, all the Outlier series are slide out. It uses a magnetic locking mechanism that is reasonably strong and won't slide out even with forceful shakes. The USB-C charging port and LED indicators that show battery and charging status are located on the left. The Creative Outlier Pro can also be charged wirelessly with any Qi-enabled charging pad or smartphone. The in-ear design earbuds that has a glossy surface on the touch control area which can pick up fingerprints easily. The stemless earbuds may look bulky, but it's not as heavy by their looks. The proportion weight made the earbuds comfortable to wear even for long hours. It does protrude more, and I will feel it pushing into my ear canals when I tap the earbud. The touch control is sensitive and only support multiple taps. Double tap are to play, pause, and switch between normal, ANC, and ambient modes. Triple tap are to skip a song or summon the voice assistant. Press and hold is to adjust the volume. This control can be custom via the Creative app, which is available on both Android and iOS. The Creative Outlier Pro is probably the chunkiest TWS earphone that I ever reviewed, and there's a reason for it. It can offer up to 15 hours of playtime on a single charge, which can easily outlast your smartphone battery life. The charging case itself can also offer an additional 3 rounds of charges. That's a total of 60 hours of playtime. This is also will be the best companion for a long haul flight or travel without worrying the battery life of the earphone. Coming to sound quality, the Outlier Pro features 10mm graphite coated drivers, the latest Bluetooth 5.2, and support SBC and AAC sound codecs. On a normal profile, it has a warm tonalities and offer robust bass. The soundstage could be wider. You can always tweak the audio with the 10 bands graphic equalizers or pick the wide range of EQ preset ranging from acoustic, country, R&B, including game-specific options like Fortnite, Genshin Impact, and more through the Creative Companion app. The Outlier Pro is Super X5 ready. It's a holographic audio technology that offers a more immersive listening experience through a sophisticated head and ear mapping process. The outcome is like a magic with a wider soundstage, clearer voice, and instrument separations. Unfortunately, the Super X5 lacks streaming service integrations like Spotify or Apple Music, as it only works with local media files stored in your smartphone. The ANC is just average and doesn't cut out much noise even at maximum intensity. As for the ambient mode, it feels more natural, but it tends to pick up wind noise prominently. With a total of 6 microphones, it is able to cancel out background noise effectively. Here's a mic test with the Creative Outlier Pro. There's a busy street noise playing behind, and the aircon is blowing at this direction. Mic test 1 2 3, mic test 1 2 3. For the asking price of $80, which translated to about 330 to 340 ringgit Malaysia, the Creative Outlier Pro is not the most budget TWS in this class, but it offers a pleasing all-rounder and excellent battery life that no others come close. If you're looking for a more compact design and more features like in-ear wear detections and multi-point connections, you may have to look elsewhere. If you're interested in getting one, the where to buy link will be in the description box. That's all from me on the Creative Outlier Pro. You know the drill. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you at the next one.